welcome to today's adventure. It's February 28th, and we are going we're going overlanding. We're going camping. I got Zeus, he's asleep already back there. But we're gonna go meet my cousin Ricky, his stepson, and in Woodburn. And then from there we're gonna head out to our destination, which I don't even know where we're going yet. So we're gonna drive pretty much probably all night, and then I plan on sleeping in the Jeep tonight. Weather doesn't look like it's gonna be good. It's starting to rain already. We'll see how it goes. Oh shoot. Alright, here. Met them at Walmart. We gotta get a couple more things, some supplies. And then we can finally start driving. This is gonna be a long night. I'm already tired. I'm gonna go home. I'm tired of this. Alright, here's our crew. There's crew leader 1 right there. There's Daddy Daycare. Roger that. I'm gonna go to the BK Lounge.
Alright, we'll park at the trailer parking right between both.
Copy that. Oh shoot. Got the bed all set up. Zeus and I are gonna sleep in here tonight. We'll see how comfortable it is. I got the little air mattress for $7 at Walmart. Not bad. Oh shit. Welcome to Backwood Country Cribs.
That's right. So this is
Oh, you're hooking up the curtains? Like a hermit. Oh shit, they got the fire going. I don't even know where we're at.
like when we first mixed.
Where's Zeus? Come here. Wait, Zeus. Sit, Zeus. Sit. Good boy, Zeus. Watch out, Zeus. Watch out, Zeus. Watch out, Zeus. Move. Okay. Woo! Alright, we're in here. We got some room. I just gotta get comfortable. Alright, sit, Zeus. I just hope he doesn't pop it. I got a feeling your little toenails are gonna pop us out. Okay, time to get situated. Not that bad. What do you think, Zeus? Zeus is probably not loving it. We'll be fine. Alright. It's cold. We're gonna get some sleep. Tomorrow, check out what's around here. Mm. 7 o'clock. Slept good. Ugh. Top 5 reasons why not to sleep in your Jeep. It's cold. Starting to snow. Just being an asshole, so I locked him in the Jeep. Well, I closed him in here. We're just in the parking lot. Sawyer pulled him out and then he
Wanted to get stuck.
yeah, he wanted to get stuck his turn. Really cold this morning. We had breakfast. Now we're gonna take the vehicles and head down some trails. Go, Sawyer, go! It's 4 o'clock. We're out of here. We're heading home. Too many vehicles are breaking down. But we're gonna head home and quit while we're ahead.